Smokes. Hi, sweetie. Hi, cutie pie. You're cute. Hi there, you're the friendly one. Yes, don't eat my shirt. Yes, don't eat my shirt. Hi, Coco. Hi, Cokie. How are you today? Hi, Mia Moki. Say hi to Kristen. That's your sister.
I've never seen you before. What are you doing in our pen?
Hi, sweetie. Oh, I'll get the stuff.
These are actually in there?
Well, I wanted to save you some footsteps. I don't know. I think Kristen's sleeping on the job.
Mike, go! Get a close up.
I can see it. Hi. Hi. Coco. Coco makes Cocoa Puffs.
See, Moki.
You're all dead to me.